Vashawn? Well, my understanding is that the Spurs play tonight.
Yes.
Well, we'll be in court because that's what we do. We're working court. Oh, and then Vashawn being so, somebody on the panel has Spurs tickets. Oh, I forget which court he's in. Oh, we'll have to go down. So, Vashawn, I'm driving in today, and here's one of my pet peeves. When we were growing up, there was a commercial that would come out, and it would show this person driving, and it would say they didn't like what was on the radio, so they killed a child because you're focusing on the radio and you're not paying attention. Well, on Nogalitos, am I saying that right?
Yes.
You know the big HEB, the one that's on Nogalitos, there's an elementary school right there. And it clearly, the light is flashing. It clearly says 20 miles per hour, school zone. And there's always people going around me speeding. Police need to be right there.
That's great.
Yes. And then the blue car that speeded past me, almost clipped me and went in front of me. Guess what? Racing straight to a red light. I'm like, the signals are timed for the lights. I don't get that. All right, everyone, I'm going to call the docket. If everyone will have a seat. When I call the docket, I need y'all to stand and let me know you're here. Otherwise, I'm going to assume you're not here and a warrant may be issued for your arrest. Joseph Juarez, Christopher Medellin, Joseph Foz, custody. And by Zoom, we have Ted Braham, Ethan Gonzalez, custody. Stacy Smith, custody. Rafael Rodriguez. Vashawn, I rolled my R, so I don't know if it's going to still be a good day. James Garcia, Maria Martinez, Joel Araza, custody. Jonathan Greenwich. Jonathan Ali Greenwich. Christine Moreno. Now, so here's the thing, everybody. You can't make an announcement for your relatives. They need to be here. So she's late. I can't believe that the aunt's on time, but the person who's on the docket is not. Thanks for showing up, Aunt. Edward Castillo, custody. Angelo Montgomery, Roberto Hernandez, Rafael Sosa, custody. Joseph Sebastian Gonzalez. Thank you. Layla Vasquez. Rafael Soso, custody. Montgomery, custody. Christopher Ortiz. Thank you. Good morning, Judge. President of Council. Thank you. Ronnie Cerna. Here you go. Daryl Fauntleroy, custody. Morris Thompson. I don't know if he's on Zoom or not. Jose Luis Marino. Jade Gathal, custody. Is he in custody? It says bond jail.
She's in jail.
All right. Hernandez, custody. Revele, custody. Layla Marie Vasquez. Okay. Brian Ruiz. Yes. Richard Ramos. Here. Jesus Adrian Enosa Perez. Jennifer Humphreys. Here. Miguel Dominguez. Miguel Angel Dominguez. Julio Salazar. Cuellar, custody. Reginald Bateman.
Council President, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Present with council.
Thank you. Montgomery, Custody, Rodriguez, Gardner, Romo, Araza, Lopez, Reyes, Lodge, Custody, Jennifer Chambers, Mason, Custody. Wasn't that taken care of, or is it back today for some reason? All right. Christian, Kevin, Joseph, Clark. I said all those names and he's not here. Is it Kriston? Kriston, Kevin, Joseph, Clark. Brandon Murray, Custody. Michael Bissett. Thank you. Jacob Lopez, Custody. Grenage, Jonathan Ali Grenage. Granich. Adam Gonzalez, Custody. Brandon Diaz, Custody. Humphreys, already answered. Guzman, Custody. Gonthal, Custody. And Rios this afternoon. All right, anyone came in late or your name was not called? Yes, what's your name? April? Abel, okay. And last name? All right, thank you. Miguel Dominguez. All right, you need to be on the second row. All right, thank you. Anyone else? All right, everyone, as you can see, there are a lot of inmates. To make this process run smoothly, attorneys, please listen to me on this, because so far, out of all the time I've been on bench, people still don't follow these instructions. Number one, don't stare me down, because guess what? I'm just going to be doing something else, because the clerks are going to let me know who's ready, and you're going to be called in the order of appearance. Number two, we're recessing today at 11:45 because we have a jury trial. Do not rush the coordinator at 11:40 and say, Judge, just one more thing, like Lenny, just one more thing. No, because Vashon, right? See, my voice is improving.
You sound great, sir.
Because guess what? Everybody needs a break. And you're rushing and saying, let me just do this last thing. No, at 11:45, even if I'm sitting here still working on documents, not here. Just consider it like the invisible cloak from Harry Potter or wherever. Number two, if you have somebody who's in custody, yes, they need to be brought out. Request them from the deputy. Once you've requested an inmate from the deputy, please, please do not leave the courtroom, because for security reasons, there's a limited number of inmates that can be brought out. And I've heard attorneys say, oh my gosh, it's taking so long. I used to be thinking, what, are they bringing the inmates from Austin or somewhere? Why is it taking so long? If you ever have the opportunity, let the deputies give you a tour of where they bring inmates from and how small the elevator is that they have to bring inmates on. Honestly, you could probably only fit like 4 inmates on that elevator. And when you think about it, it's 4 inmates, 2 deputies on that elevator, and they have to go and get them from the secret floor, check them out, bring them up here. So that's why it's so long. Number 3, Ms. Abrams, if you can raise your hand. That's the probation officer for this court. She's an integral part of the legal system. Confer with her. If you have a client who's on probation, I'm going to ask for her opinion. If you have a client who's seeking probation, I'm going to ask for her opinion. Please do not approach here when we're on the docket and start the chattering, because when you do, it distracts me from this person in front of me. I'm a woman, sorry, men, but we can multitask. So I can do it, but that means that I'm only giving them 99.9% of my attention when they should have 100%. When we're on the record, don't talk behind Cindy. Her job is as difficult as it is already, because people whisper. We talk loud when we're in the crowd, but we whisper when we're on the record up here, and she needs to be able to hear. So you're not ready to approach the court unless you confer with the state and confer with your client. When that has been accomplished, just approach the clerk. She'll put you on the list and she will tell me, Judge, we have somebody ready, and I will take you up. All right, everybody, it's Friday Eve. Hopefully the Spurs will win. Please confirm. Cindy, is anybody gonna talk behind you today?
Probably.
Yeah. Is anybody gonna whisper? Yes.
Go forward on stage rituals.
Yes.
But Sean, so easily we forget. Deputy Mahia? She's leaving?
To put in.
Okay,
Identity theft.
yes.
Oh,
Oh, y'all are ready?
yes.
Okay. What page is she on? Okay,
So
okay.
on that one, Judge, I had approached previously, and I believe you signed the motion. And I think you even made some amendments on the order.
Yeah.
So I can see some changes being made. So my client was arrested for an unauthorized use of a motor vehicle. That's the only charge she has. When I would first look up her name, that case would come up. Now, when I look up her name, nothing is coming up. But when I pull up her case number on Odyssey, when it first pulls up, it'll say her name, it'll say Jacob, and then that case number. When I click on the actual full event, it then says my client's name. And when they put in my client's SID number, everything is still popping up. So that's the problem. So I've already conferred with the state. My client should be on Zoom, by the way, because I believe we
Anyone else ready?
How's that? Take 8 for down. Yeah, it'd be great. I mean, earlier, I started with like over 2 and trial to a jury.
It was. Okay, stop. Good. Get mixing. In there. And this is
And if they did it, that said it wasn't.
Bring it up. Yeah. No rush or anything. I just. There you go. Other than just this,
All right, Julio Salazar.
Yeah.
Salazar, come up.
I know.
Hello.
How you doing?
All right, how are you doing today?
Alright.
So do you paint?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a good painter?
Work with the best.
Awesome, good answer. It's always hard to find a good painter.
I know.
All right, so in this case, where are we on discovery?
Believe we should have all the discovery, Judge. They've conveyed an offer to me. I would like to do two things, go over that offer with Mr. Salazar, and also he's never been to my office to flush through the case. His case just got indicted, I think, in late March. So that's where we are. If we could have a comeback to just let the court know if we're gonna take the agreement or not, is what I'd like.
How old are you, sir?
How old am I? 56.
All right, Norma, I need a 30-day reset for a plea deadline date. Do you have any questions about anything?
Fine, thank you.
Yeah, they are. They're on. So what would you know?
All right, see you back on June 29th. Just have a seat. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it.
Thank you, Judge.
Who's next?
You can watch that.
I don't know who it is. Who is it? Reginald Bateman.
Morning, Judge.
Good morning. Mr. Bateman, come forward.
He was here.
Oh, no.
Outside and came back.
No. I've already
You're on
checked him
one.
off as being here. All right, where are we on discovery?
Your Honor, we have received discovery from the District Attorney's Office. We've also received an offer I have conferred with my client regarding the offer. And right now, at this point, we're requesting a jury trial. Also, my client would like to have an independent lab to analyze the alleged substance. However, that is something that I'm gonna be discussing with the district attorney's office in the meantime.
Norma, can you set this for trial next week? June 1st. All right, that will be your jury trial date. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused.
Your Honor, I have a federal court next week.
When?
I'm checking,
Okay,
but I know it's next week, yes.
okay.
Let me check my calendar and I'll let you know, but if it looks like, if this works, Your Honor, I'll be here.
All right, once you sign the reset form, you'll be excused. That will be your
Thank you.
jury trial date. State on Reginald Bateman, I need an acknowledgement of discovery. He's on page 8, the last one. All right, who's next?
We have Ted Russell Graham on page 1 or now.
All right, who's here on Vasco?
Good morning, Judge. I am, and he's on Zoom.
All right. Mr. Brobham, I need you to unmute and I need you to start your video.
There you keep seeing. Your camera. Okay, it's gonna be down here.
First, or me in the morning. Okay.
You were on.
All right, today is the plea deadline date. Where are we on that?
Are you serious?
Yes.
Start video, it said, Mom. Go back.
Hang on.
Camera allowed.
Okay, Judge. We just got our first offer. We're still outstanding some medical records that have been requested. But we were conferring. It's with Miss Ida Cheta.
All right, what medical records?
One more setting, we just need to order the medical records related to treatment that the victim got for the alleged incident. They have been requested, they haven't been received. We need to follow up with the place. So if we can just get maybe one more plea deadline setting, that would be great.
All right. This will be your final plea deadline date and your client is gonna have to appear in person.
Oh, we'll do it, Judge.
All right, Norma.
Yes.
I need a 3-week reset for a plea deadline date. And the defendant is to appear in person.
Thank you.
Sure. All right, it's gonna be June 18th, and sir, you need to appear in person. All right, thank you. All right, who's next?
We have Jonathan Greenwich on page 12. 3 down.
Jonathan Greenwich. All right, this is a motion to revoke.
It's
Okay, I need the motion.
Oh. Morning, you're on.
No, I just wanted to approach you
Yes.
about getting a short reset.
Mhm.
This case is set for both the jury trial on a new number one and the MTR today. The MTR is largely related to the new number one. And this is my initial setting on the new number one, although I was in here previously to get a bond set on the MTR. I have downloaded this discovery and glanced at it, but not had a chance to do any substantial prep. I
Norman,
believe,
set this for a contested hearing at the end of June.
perfect. Thank you, Your Honor. I appreciate you saving us the time and
Sure.
energy.
All
You
right,
have a
June
nice
29th.
day.
Oh, you too. June 29th is going to be your contested hearing.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Okay, and we'll reset both cases to that date?
Yes.
Thank you.
And sir, you need to be on time next time.
Yes, ma'am.
All right,
Thank
thank you.
I'm not.
And Norma, the 2025 CR case that's attached to it, that June 29th can be contested hearing and jury trial date. Mhm. Who else? All righty. Okay, just give me 1 second. Oh, sure.
Yes. So. So. I don't know.
You brought us to like they compressed it.
So, as you now. Are you okay?
Sorry, what? Yeah. Yeah. Give me a moment.
I just made. I do not.
All right, is this unit on,
Before you get to the brand.
I've been very successful.
Yeah. Thank you very
Yeah. So you're. All right. So. So. Slide back in my, back down.
all right, Jacob Lopez.
For them to bring him out, but I'm requesting I've got a motion to set bond.
I can't do anything until he's out. Sure, who's next? All right, thank you.
Well, there was no risk. I don't care. Show me where you can. He didn't buy. The last part is. I had to file before he stopped. Oh, I've got.
Then it's maybe 8 more photos that I added on.
Okay,
You can get forward.
thank you. Abor Rojo? Arroyo. All right, thank you.
Yeah, Judge, how are you doing this morning?
Doing great. I see you don't have your scooter.
No, I've been going more and more. So hopefully out of the brace pretty soon too.
All right, today's plea deadline date.
Yes, Judge. We're rejecting the offer. We'd like to get set for a trial setting, please.
All right, Norma. Can you set this for the first week in June? All right, we'll see you back on June
No,
first.
but I be able to get a little more, one more time, that way I can let my employer know.
No, your jury trial is June 1st.
I'll get a paper from the court so that way you can give it to them.
Yes.
Just let them know that it's a court order. It's not that you scheduled it.
All right.
Yeah.
All right, thank
Thank you, ma'am.
you. You're welcome. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused. And state on Arojo, I need a acknowledgement of discovery.
I'll get you there.
All right, who's next? Jonathan, oh, we did do Jonathan Greenwich. Just 1 second. Yes, what's the reapproach for Jonathan Greenwich about?
Your Honor, my client is a long haul trucker and he's currently on GPS tracking only. And apparently we're going to need permission from you for him to resume his long haul trucking job.
What's the issue?
Yeah, I don't know. Well, they never give us.
I just need to get permission from you.
No, I mean, what is pretrial services saying about the issue?
Apparently, they told Mr. Greenwich he needs to get a motion and an order from the judge. And this was as much of a surprise to me as it appears to be to you, Your Honor. If the court could just say on the record, Mr. Greenwich is allowed to pursue lawful employment.
No, it will probably
we-
take more than that.
Okay.
What were you gonna say?
My bond paperwork says for me to ask permission to go outside of Bear County.
Oh, no. When you say bond paperwork, is that with your bondsman?
The the GPS paperwork.
All right. So we have to be very careful because if it's something with your bondsman, you have to handle that with your bondsman. But you're saying it's with pretrial services?
Yes, ma'am, I said the wrong thing.
All right, who's your pretrial services officer? Is that the paperwork?
And that's not gonna say it's his indictment.
That's just the indictment. Is
Her
it?
name is Rosa.
Okay, your attorney should be able to figure it
Yeah, I
out.
can
If you're
figure that out.
pretrial services and find out who his officer is.
My job wants me to go on the road tomorrow and do a
Oh.
load.
Oh, we'll take care of it today.
All right.
Are you all gonna have any objection with him traveling for work? He's on tracking.
He's tracking only and he wants to leave Bear County. That's what the issue is?
Yes.
Okay, so long as it's just within the state.
No, he goes out of state.
Is
He's
it
a
within the
long
state or
haul
no?
trucker.
Okay, I dropped everything with us.
All right, just call it. So everyone, take deep breaths. This is what I need you all to do. Contact or find out for me who his pretrial services officer is. That's what I need to know.
Thank you.
Sure. Nobody leave till that's done. All right, anyone else next? Oh, well, we will both pronounce it incorrectly then. Gardiner. Who's here on? Garrett, no. All right, where's your client? Come up, please.
Stand right there on the black tape, keep all this every year.
Hello. Hi. How do you pronounce your first name? Aya? Aya, okay. So where are we on discovery?
I've got discovery now, acknowledgement. I think I've got all the discovery, but with that Avion or whatever, that new system is a nightmare.
Okay.
I'm gonna probably file a competency on her. She told me she's been in the state hospital. I need to do a little research on her history. She's had a fairly strong criminal history, so I want to see if there's been issues of competency or sanity with her down the road.
All right, so what's going to end up happening is your attorney is going to file a motion. I'm not the court who's going to hear the specific motion he files. It's going to be another court. Okay. All right, Norma, he's going to file a motion. Well, Norma, can you just order it, please? The competency evaluation.
Competency about,
Any objection to the court just sending the order?
no, Judge.
All right. All right, and then Norma, recall this in 60 days. And that's so we won't lose you in the system, but another court will hear the evaluation. All right, so we'll be back on July 27th. If the evaluation is completed before then, your attorney will let us know and we'll have you brought back before then. Do you have any questions? All right, thank you.
We'll talk. Okay.
All right, who's next? Hello, how's it going?
Very good. How are you doing?
All right, are you marking off your calendar for trips?
My wife and I are going to Rome on the 18th.
Oh,
Because they got canceled by the Chinese during COVID.
well, you know what's so
I'm gonna send
funny?
them a bill.
Okay, you will enjoy this because I know how much you love Caesar.
I borrow your taste. She's talking about Caesar again.
Now I'm about to say something nice about Caesar. You all need to have a seat. No, this is good. But no, Robert, I was going to say something great about Caesar. Do you know when I went to Rome, there are people who are still upset that Caesar was murdered. And
It should be.
and they have a shrine to him, and everybody comes and brings flowers. And the people who are responsible for his death, oh, their entire family line, people don't like it.
Well, the entire family should be punished for the sins of their father.
Let's not do that. You know, I still remember in middle school, I had to learn the speech, you know, I came to bury him, not to praise him. You know, Mark Anthony.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I had to memorize that.
Now, Mark Anthony,
Christ, he rejected the crown.
Mark Anthony was the true deviant in that group.
Yeah. But Robert, he didn't want the crown. Thrice he rejected the crown.
Anyway, I'm looking forward to it. I started reading all my Roman history books again. It's driving my wife crazy. We have an 8-hour tour scheduled of the Colosseum and the Vatican. She's like, I'm not going on an 8-hour tour. I'll drop you off at the hotel.
Oh, I love the Colosseum. I'm going back.
We're gonna bring my own like Pilates. I'm gonna go ready for the gladiatorial games.
Anyone else ready? James Garcia.
Judge. Judge, that is a murder case. We had an insanity evaluation done. It was done by the same psychiatrist I used last year on an NGRI.
Mhm.
And he gave me an opinion I don't agree with, so I have to find another psychiatrist to do an independent evaluation. And I talked to the state, they're gonna get an offer on the case. It may ultimately end up being just an NGRI trial.
Hmm.
But I'd like to see if we get 60 days. I'm having a tough time finding a psychiatrist to do an independent review of this doctor's findings, because it's exactly opposite what he found in the similar situation on my case last year.
Okay. All right, Norma, I need a 60-day reset on Garcia. July when?
Perfect.
All right.
Works for me. Thank you.
Hello. I'm so sorry. Who did you say it was? All right, Rafael Rodriguez. Hello. Hello, where's Rafael Rodriguez?
Bring on the black ones.
All right, on this case, today is plea deadline date.
Judge, I conferred with the state. We are going to ask for a reset. We did receive, or the state received some new evidence. They're requesting to review it. I think if we. Client does not want to take the current offer on the table, so we do want to set this for the trial docket, but we are requesting a reset for right now.
Yes, Judge, there was a recent change in defense counsel. This counsel today has provided me with some substantive evidence I need to discuss with the complainant that could affect the disposition of the case. So I'll leave it up to this court's judgment whether to put on the trial docket or give us a short reset to give me time to do that. But that's where we are.
All right, when you say short time, what do you mean?
A few weeks, Judge, be plenty.
When you say a few weeks, what do you mean?
Preferably when this judge is on the bench.
Oh, yeah. All right.
That's her learned disposition, Judge.
Norma, put this for the week of. Do the week of June 15th, as it doesn't work out, there's going to be a quick turnaround for jury trial.
Understood, Judge.
All right, what date, Norma? All right, June 16th, that's your final plea deadline date.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Welcome.
Thank you.
How's it going, Hunter?
It's going all right, Judge. Running back and forth.
Okay.
Good to
Well,
see you again.
You too.
You too, Judge.
All right, who's next? Christine Marino. Oh, she is, okay. Miguel Dominguez. All right, thank you. Yes. All right, and Nora, were you able to get in touch with Greenwich's pretrial service officer? And is he still here? Well, that's the way of the world, as the song goes. Yes. Yes.
Hi, Judge, I'm doing.
Oh, bye. Have a good one.
Oh, no, we off.
Oh, is there something you should do for good luck for the Spurs when you leave, or you just, I don't know.
Let's where to go.
Oh, that's what should be said.
Let's Spurs.
Right, Rick. Yeah. So when everybody leaves, instead of saying bye, Judge, they should say, go Spurs, go.
Correct.
Okay.
So everyone should say, let's where to go. That's right. I'm just gonna put a very on my already done.
I think Jamisa Jarman is still looking for her Spurs t-shirt under $15.
What?
Good luck with that.
Somebody told me $14. What is it made of?
T-shirt.
Oh, okay. Is it a V-neck?
No, it's just the t-shirt, but it's not a V-neck, you know, it's a t-shirt.
Well, see, here's the thing.
What is it, t-shirt?
Jamisa wants a t-shirt for $15 or less, but she would love a V-neck and some sparkles. Yeah. Okay, my mom does that all the time. You buy her t-shirt, she doesn't like the close neck thing, she just cut it into a V. That's what I do. I tried it once, it didn't turn out well for that t-shirt. Pray.
Yes, Your
Robert
Honor.
was here talking about Caesar.
I got surprised with one bit.
Oh, yeah. Excuse me. Matt Stohansky, the coordinator is calling you.
Oh.
You just wanted to visit us, but you're in the 186.
Always a pleasure visiting.
Yeah, go Spurs, go.
Yes, my mother said thank you for inviting me. I had a nice time.
Yeah. Have a good one.
That's about 6.
Megan, everybody always come to us with extra work. It's like, it's not even our case. Joseph Gonzalez. Hello.
Hello.
You always wonder when people wear their glasses like that, are they afraid they're gonna fall off? And why don't they fall off?
Well, you're afraid you're gonna lose them.
Yeah, I'm like, ugh. So is there something, do you have videos of the witnesses' statements or
I
something?
discussed that with the state judge, and I think we sorted that out. Apparently, one of them is a 911 call, so we definitely have that.
Okay,
And the other one's a witness statement, and I think based on my conversation with counsel, that it's all in discovery.
Yes, and then last setting, I think there was a witness video that has been uploaded to Axon along with like 2 or 3 photos, Judge.
so all discovery
Yes.
tender?
I may have to go back and look at those.
Okay.
I'm supposed to have.
And then an offer was previously tendered?
Correct, Judge.
All right, Norma, set this for a plea deadline date in 30 days.
Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Oh, and State Defense, if I could get an acknowledgement of discovery.
That's it.
All right, thank you. And Norma, what's the ETA on Gary Chirac?
If I call it, straight to voicemail, or you can- Going straight to
Oh, I'm waiting for their pretrial service officer to come in. And Norma, you contact pretrial services officer?
This one, yes.
Okay.
I don't know.
Thank you.
So this is Jade's. This is.
Gary,
Yeah.
we need to put something on the record with your client. If you'll have your client come back up. Okay. But yeah, Norma said she was calling you. I'm like, oh, I know who to call.
Yeah. My private secretary.
Yes. She's like, he'll be right there.
Yeah.
All right, we're going on the record. Court is calling 2026 CR 005859 State versus Miss Gardner. Can I have parties announced for the state?
Gary Chuck for the defendant.
And are you Miss Gardner?
Yes.
All right, off the record for a moment. All right, we're back on the record. Counsel.
Judge, I had an occasion to talk to her sister in the hall. She's told me that she has a diagnosis of bipolar schizophrenic, and at one time had been found incompetent to stand trial and sent to the state hospital to regain competency. And discussing with her about the case, she doesn't seem to be clear as to what happened. I think that there's definitely an issue of competency.
All right, the court will grant the motion and the court will order that a competency evaluation be completed.
All right, thank you,
All
Judge.
right, thank you.
Excused?
Yes, you're excused. Hello, Miss Sosa.
So.
Yeah, that's over.
Sorry, what page was Garner on? All right, thank you.
$30 or just shoot me text whenever it's on. I'll come back. Of course. Here's that recent one, I'm sure. And Brandon City was together. And then you want me to give that to you?
All right, Miss Sosa. Angelica Sosa.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi, thank you so much for zooming in on short notice.
You're welcome.
Are you the pretrial service officer for Mr. Greenwich?
No, ma'am, I'm the pretrial supervisor. His officer is Miss Romo.
All right. So he is on GPS tracking.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to allow him to work. He's a truck driver. Is there anything that you need for me to send that would allow him to travel throughout the United States for his employment?
No, all we need is just, court documents stating that he's allowed to travel for work, and then he can provide his, proof of work to, his officer.
All right, Mr. Greenwich, if you'll come forward. All right, so when you go to work, and you have to be in different states, when will you, receive your schedule?
I stay at work like 3 weeks, sometimes 2 weeks.
No. I mean, when do you receive your schedule? I have family members who are truck drivers. So when do you, because I know they give you a schedule and say, this is where you're going to be traveling. When do you receive your schedule?
Like in the mornings, or when I finish taking a load to where it's supposed to go, they'll give me
No.
directions.
This is what I mean.
Schedule.
And it's my fault. I'm not communicating very well today. This is what I mean. If they want you to, let's say they want you to go to Oklahoma, when will you get your schedule saying you need to go to Oklahoma? Because normally in trucking, they don't contact you today and say, today you're going to Oklahoma. They usually have a schedule for you.
They just text my phone in the morning.
I mean, they give you more than a day's notice, don't they?
Sometimes they don't. Due to like whatever needs to be shipped that makes the most money, they're gonna look for that and find it at the last minute and send it to my phone and tell me go over here and go and take it over here.
All right, what time notice do y'all need for him to give you his schedule? Is it,
I'll give you my job, email though. You want me to do that?
no. Is it acceptable? I'm sorry, you said your email?
I can give you my jobs, the company's email.
Oh, no, you won't need that. Is it acceptable, Officer Sosa, for him to give you notice no later than 24 hours after he's received his destination or his routes?
A 24-hour notice is what we normally require.
No, I mean after he receives
Oh,
notice.
after he receives it. If he can, does it happen often that he's going? As long as he sends it, let's say he gets it right now at 11 a.m., then he just turns around and sends it, he should be okay.
Well, I'm leaving tomorrow and I don't know where I'm going. Right now, I don't.
Well, no, I'm putting this in the order.
Okay.
You are to provide notice to pretrial services no later than 24 hours after you receive your assignment. And I'll put that in an order and send it over, Ms. Sosa.
Okay, sounds good.
All right, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
All right, you too.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. I
You're welcome.
appreciate your flexibility and creativity here. Thank you.
Oh, no problem. Have a good one.
You too. May we be excused, Your Honor?
Yes.
Thank you.
All right, that one you can drop, you know, with the wrong number. Well, should we, Norma, could you have Kimberly Bush, shouldn't she take a copy of this order so her client will have it? It's all right, thank you. Thank you, Fashawn. Just give me a second. All right, who's next?
Consider Brandon Sternberg.
All right, could you all give me the paperwork on Jacob Lopez?
That's what we're gonna do. So that's.
Safety
supervisor.
Yeah, there should be, he has two cases, I think.
It's her. Yeah.
All right, State, are you all ready on this bond motion? Jacob Lopez?
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning.
Yes, it's that one, but I think it's done on the. Transfer.
All right, so is there a motion to revoke filed in each of these cases?
No, Judge, the evading case is we haven't done anything. It's a new case, essentially. It's older.
Oh,
but-
the 2020 case is new.
And then we have the MTR.
So does he have a bond set on that case or no?
He does not, Judge.
Okay. Well, we'll start with that case. All right, the court is calling 2020 CR 2124 and 2018 CR 8229W State versus Jacob Lopez. Could I have parties announced for the record?
Megan Galloway for the state. Linda Corley for Mr. Lopez.
All right, your attorney has filed motions to set bond in each of these cause numbers. So we'll start with the evading arrest case. According to the defendant's motion, there was an FTA.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So in order for the court to set a bond on this matter, you'll need to address the FTA.
Judge. Can I step back for 1 second?
Sure. Yes, I did. Thank you so much.
Judge, my client was in fear that he was gonna be arrested and he made a poor decision. There were a lot of things going on in his life at that time.
So
that-
here's the thing. You all need to step back and discuss things because his fear, and that's the reason why he didn't come to court. That means that he may have willfully failed to appear. And there's new laws, as you all know, that are in place if somebody willfully fails to appear. So if y'all want to step back and do your research on that and address it, then the court will hear whatever y'all want to present because the law has changed.
Judge.
You're welcome. All right, who's next?
Page 1 through down to.
Joseph Foz. Mhm. Yes. So they haven't brought your client out yet. However, was an offer tendered?
No, Your Honor, Brandon. I know Robert and Brandon were conferring on this. I know that the purpose for this hearing is because we thought there was another case potentially that was gonna pop up.
Yes, this is the only
And
case.
this is the only case, and I don't know, it was an offer extended to Robert.
Tender an offer.
I believe an offer was extended, but I'll check with the file.
All
I
right,
should
so
go
y'all
on.
need to check and make sure that's done, then just approach back.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Judge. Sorry, Judge.
Who's next? Christine Marino. Good morning. All right, you need to make sure you're on time, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so today is plea deadline date.
It is, Judge. We were here maybe a week or so ago.
Mhm.
And there were some videos, DPS videos
Mhm.
that were not made available at the time. They've been made available to the state. I checked both Veripic and Axion this morning, and I did not receive anything. Now, they have now forwarded me the link to get into those. So I need to see those. And so we're asking for another week.
All right. Ms. Ferguson, set this for a plea deadline date and jury trial at the end of June, please.
Yeah, can we do? Plan on trying to take a vacation the 15th through the 20th of June.
All right.
We can come back next week.
Oh, Norma, if you'll put it down for next week.
What, that Monday? Today's Thursday, so we're talking about 3 days. Can you make it later in the week? That would be good.
All right, we'll see you back on June 4th. Thank you.
One time.
All
Thank
right,
you.
thank you. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused. All right, who's next? Jesus Enosa.
You can do, oh no, you can do them first.
Okay, just 1 second. My Odyssey is frozen anyway. All right. CPS records, where are we?
Oh, let me double check. I'm sorry, I forgot.
Sure. Have you got all the discovery other than the CPS records?
Judge, I think so, but I was gonna ask for another discovery because counsel is planning on meeting with the complainant. And he's gonna share his notes with me after he does that, and so it could affect his offer and it could also affect our valuation of his offer based on what he tells me.
Okay.
We can suggest some things we want him to inquire about.
Okay.
Yes, those were received and uploaded last month. You should have access. Well, I need to do a protective order now.
All right, thank you. Norma, I need a 30-day reset for state. We can just put it as discovery, but state, you'll need to tender an offer by that time.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, June 29th.
Thank you,
All
Judge.
right, thank you.
Okay, yeah, let's print it right now.
All right, who's next? Hello.
Oh, I'm sorry. I apologize.
Oh, no problem. Let me just 1 second here. All righty. This is the never ending story.
Yeah. So, my client is here today, maybe under the wrong, well, still under the wrong name.
Okay.
I have sent several emails to the jail,
Mhm.
Mr. Morales at the jail, who does records and identity correction.
Mhm.
He is not responding to me. I've talked to Lance. Lance has also tried to work on this. I did file a motion to verify my client's identity. I'm not sure if the court has ruled on it.
Excuse me, just a second. Excuse me, everybody, you're not allowed to talk to the inmates. If you signal the inmates, if you try to talk to the inmates, doesn't matter if you're mom, grandmother, aunt, father, the deputy is going to tap you on the shoulder and have you escorted out of the courtroom, and you'll only be allowed back in the courtroom if you're going to be a witness. Does everyone understand? And I find that sometimes communication is best because people are like, I'm just saying hey to my, what is it, Deputy Miho? Miho? So, and I understand that, but the reason why the deputies don't want you waving to the inmates, talking to the inmates is because it's a security issue for them. They're already on high alert because you see the number of people who are in this courtroom and the number of people in the box. They're responsible for everybody's security. So just don't do it. Thank you. And Deputy Laura, it's her. All right. All right.
So I mean, I think Lance is wonderful. I know he's made a good faith effort. It's a simple correction, which is that my understanding, my client's, I guess, saying that they fixed it, but it's not fixed. So the issue is we have her name in the system, but it's under her client, Jamie Sid. So like the pre-file cases that my clients have are my client's name with Jamie Sid. And so Jamie has Jamie's cases with Jamie Sid, And then there's some misdemeanor cases for Jade with Jade Sid. I believe Brian Kimbrough represents her on those, and those are set for today. And then there's
All right, who's next?
Call Eric Mason.
Yes. Okay,
And I think the state wants to inform you of what's going on.
yes, what's going on?
Judge, I believe Mr. King from Tuesday should be logging on to Zoom right now. I don't believe that we have received any kind of receipts or.
I mean, why have you not received receipts?
We've talked to Mr. King about providing receipts. He's put forth inquiries to his company to provide receipts, acknowledgement, numbers, quantities of damage. but we haven't been able to ascertain those as of yet.
All right, Mr. King. All right, if you're gonna mute, sir. All right, Mr. King, were you able to provide the state with any receipts?
We haven't been able to get all of that information together. It's going to take us a little bit of time to bring all those receipts together.
All right,
It's not a matter of just it's not a matter of just punching a key on a computer. Our expenses go into multiple brackets, and things that we purchased to repair them, to get them back up and running that he destroyed, are separate from things like an engine failure or something. So we're having to go through and separate those. But we spent just on the 14 pumps that he stripped the radiators out, cut all the copper out of the radiators, all the copper wiring out of the engines. Just on those 14, all the components that he stole off of them, we've spent over $2 million on the first 14. We have 59 total.
So here's my question. Number one, in order for me to order restitution, there needs to be evidence presented to me on restitution. And then number two, if it turns out that the restitution is $2 million times 59, I'm sure he's never going to be. Do you have $2 million? Are you ever going to get $2 million?
It'd be nice, but probably not.
I mean, so.
And
You all have agreed for him to have probation, but obviously if the restitution becomes $2 million, he's not going to be able to he's not going to be able to complete his probation.
Well, Judge, at that point, once he's done everything else, we can file an affidavit that he just can't afford it. And so the problem is, we all agree, I believe, and that this man is never going to get anywhere near $50,000. And I don't know if he knows that if it's ordered on as part of this restitution, and maybe things have changed, but I don't believe he can go to the victims fund to get money from
The
them.
victims fund is not going to give him $2 million.
Well, I know, but
Yeah.
they might give him something,
Mhm.
whereas here, he's never gonna get anything. And so I don't know if he knows that or not, but by the same token, this was set for today. Everyone knew about this amount, and I can imagine they would have had to have filed an insurance claim. And
Why?
so
Was the
there should
insurance
have been all
claim
kinds of paperwork.
No, ma'am. There was no insurance on them. The oil field shut down, and our bank agreed to let us park all of our equipment inside our facility. And when we started fracking again, we would have to, anything that went on the highway, we would have to reinsure. We had them all at our facility, and this man right here ransacked all of our pumps, cut all the copper wiring out of them, all the copper out of our radiators, just ransacked them. And it's actually forcing me into bankruptcy. I had over $60 million worth of frac pumps, and he rendered them all useless. And I'm literally going to file bankruptcy because he destroyed everything I have. He's cost me personal financial disruption. I mean, he's ruined me. The banks are going to seize my personal accounts. They're taking everything I have, all because of the actions of this man. I had over 400 employees. I let everybody go. I can't get started again. He destroyed my equipment. And the bank, I still owe them on the $60 million. I still owe them $26 million. And for this man made probably a couple of $100,000 stealing all the copper wiring and all the copper out of my radiators. Those radiators cost me over $100,000 a piece.
This man was found down the street on a bike. There's no $100,000 that he was able to ever took. There's no video of this man. So.
Your Honor, if you'll, I beg your pardon.
Any amount of restitution.
All right, this is what the court is going to do. Because if it is $2 million, it sounds like he's never going to have money to pay this, which means he wouldn't be able to successfully complete probation. Mr. King,
Yes,
I'm going to give this one final reset for restitution.
okay.
And you're going to need to provide proof based upon what the defense is saying. You're going to need to provide proof that one, I mean, if you filed insurance, I guess the way to disprove that you didn't file insurance was who is
I didn't have insurance.
insurance company with, and state defense, based upon their argument, is going to be saying maybe insurance paid this, but you're going to have to provide documentation to the defense, your losses from him.
Your Honor, the day he was caught, right next to where he was working and raiding that pump, there were 14 bags of copper tubings that he cut out of radiators. There's 14 bags.
No, I understand what you're saying, but what I'm telling you is, in order for, and I understand what you're saying, but in order for me to put in a restitution amount, I have to have receipts. I just can't have somebody.
I will. I understand. I'll get that. I'll absolutely. We're working on it. We're working on it.
All right, so I'm going to give you all a final date for restitution, and I'm not going to reset it any further for restitution after this date. So Norma, set this for the end of July.
Actually, the end of July, I believe is bad.
Oh,
Either the week before the end of July or August.
all right, Norma, set this for the first week in August. All right, August 3rd. And after that, I'm going to put in the notation, state defense, August 3rd. Mr. King, August 3rd is going to be the last day that we're going to have this hearing on the amount of restitution.
We'll have it, Your Honor.
All right, and then those documents or whatever receipts you have, you'll need to tender those to the state and state. Give it.
They'll provide them to defense.
And with regards to those documents, is there going to be, because Mr. King, you're in Bear County?
I'm in Corpus.
All right, is it okay? Is there going to be an objection to his appearing by Zoom?
Not from us, Judge.
How soon can he get the paperwork to us? I guess that'll make the decision.
I don't know, he's going to do his best.
You want him to show up in person or you could come on Zoom? You don't care either way. He can appear by Zoom, Judge.
All right, so Mr. King, you can appear by Zoom, and that's going to be August 3rd.
I've got it.
Jess, does he have the state's email?
Yes, Judge.
All right, so Jess and defense, are you okay with him emailing documents?
No, they're gonna have to be.
No, I'm just asking. If you want them certified or whatever.
Certified, there's gonna have to be some kind of somebody to put him into evidence, Judge, and
here's the thing, I'm just asking.
Right.
So that he will know what he needs in the state. You're on notice what he's asking.
Of course, Judge.
All right. And Mr. King, I'm sure the state will call you to let you know specifically what they need.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, see y'all back on August 3rd.
Judge, regarding that, since it's being reset to August 3rd and the state is recommending probation, is there any way we can get a PR bond for my client?
No. All right, Mr. King, you're excused.
Thank you.
All right. Yeah, just give me 2 minutes to put this in the system. Yes.
So, thank you for connecting us with the sheriff. He took our numbers and is gonna have one of his chiefs to straighten it out.
Okay, awesome.
So I don't know, if Andrea had to step out, I think, but if you could reset both her client and my client for maybe 45 days.
Okay.
For my client, I'm kind of thinking of filing a habeas. She is pregnant and in custody, but I think there's challenges bonding her out because of all this confusion.
Okay.
So I probably will file that.
Okay, awesome. Just let me know when.
And I don't know if you need to sign off on my identity verification motion.
Oh, no.
No.
Since they're saying they're gonna do it, if
Okay.
there's some issue, both you all have my number, just give me a call.
Perfect.
All right.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you. All right, Norma, on Jade Guthel and Jamie Vestal, it needs to be reset in 45 days. And for Vestal and Guthel, if everything is solved before then, they can always come in and we'll take care of it before then. What date, Norma? All right. And Norma, what page is she on?
13.
Thank you. And what page is Vestal here as well?
They're unindicted, but she should be on she is on Zoom. Miss Vestal's here by Zoom.
Okay. All right, and Nora, what page is Vestal on? Miss Vestal?
Her attorney stepped out, but she said that's her own.
Okay. All right, Miss Vestal, can you unmute for me, please? Hello, so we're still working on trying to solve the issues. We're gonna come back on July 13th. What I can tell you is your attorney has all of the information she needs and the contact person. And so does Miss Lefton. So they think everything will be solved by July 13th. If it's solved before then, they'll let you know and we'll bring it in earlier.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. And your attorney will be getting in contact with you.
All right.
All right, thank you.
How do we get out of here?
Oh, and you're excused.
Okay, thank you.
And thank you for dressing appropriately for Zoom.
Now reapproach.
Just give me a moment. Right, Norman, if you can make sure both of them are on the docket. Cindy, thank you for grandma's candy. That's what Deputy Laura says, but I'm like, I love butterscotch. All right, yes.
Judge, I think what we're gonna do right now is we would like to just withdraw the motions to set bond. I just got retained on the case on Tuesday. He's on the new case. I wasn't able to get access to the discovery yet, so. If
We can be
could-
called in 30 days.
Can we do both of these could do it for next Thursday?
Okay,
I think, I mean, Megan said if I'm having any problems, I can get with her to get the discovery,
okay.
so,
No, that's fine.
okay.
I mean, I'm just gonna let you know, I'm not gonna be here next week.
Would we be able to do the MTR still?
Oh, yes.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay, Norma, if you can recall this for Thursday, June 4th, it's Lopez. Yes.
By any chance, do we know who the visiting judge is gonna be?
It'll be someone who's nice and kind, as
Oh,
we all are.
we all are.
Yes.
Make your signature, please. Check the
All
board.
right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Go Spurs, go.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, Whispers. Okay.
All right, who's next? Rodriguez, Jasper?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Okay, where are we on discovery?
So with Discovery Judge, it looks to be intact as at this time, reviewing that. So there's no discovery concerns at this time. In relation to the case in general, I believe we're looking at respectfully requesting a plea bargain deadline to determine the status of a complaining witness that will likely differ the offer. So we want to see if we can come back June 25th, Thursday, Judge, for plea bargain deadline.
All right, Norma, can you set this for June 25th for plea deadline date? All right, thank you. Any questions?
No, man.
All right, thank you. All right, who's next? Okay.
Morning, Judge.
Good morning. You say page 11? Ah, thank you. Okay. I was like, my eyes are failing me.
And then, Judge, before we get on the record, I don't know if we want to just roundtable the findings I've had in developments, because I know we are set for PSI, so.
Yeah, Judge, I don't know if you remember this case, but.
Oh, yeah, I do. Where's the ring?
So
There we go.
So after we left that day, Judge, I did get a copy of the booking slip by calling the jail. I then got a copy of the ID of Miss Davila who picked up that property. We did subpoena Miss Davila yesterday to appear today in court. She did appear. She showed me a photo of the items she recovered for her on her brother's behalf. I do believe that is the ring. So I then called property crimes and she's going to drop off the ring on Monday. At that point, the detective will put it into evidence and then our investigator will coordinate to go get that ring, take it to a jeweler to confirm the GIA number. So that is our update that I have for the court. I just don't know if we want to proceed with sentencing today. If so, we have Mr. Golden. If not,
Judge, we would request one more reset because I think proceeding to sentencing before we've verified that it is in fact the ring. would be premature. I mean, I think that they probably don't need that much time if she's handing in the ring on Monday, so. he asked
And
for a
is
30-day
the-
recess.
The owner of the ring here,
Yes, the owner of the ring, Mr. Golden, is here.
if you'll come forward, sir. Hello, morning. I know this has been taking a long time,
Yes, ma'am.
but I'm trying to make sure that you have your ring back.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Because sometimes I think people prefer to have the ring back as opposed to the money. So good news. They seem to have located the ring, but they need to make sure that it is in fact your ring. And then you probably want to make sure that none of the stones have been replaced and that they're still actual diamonds. So we're going to have to do a reset for them to get that done. And then hopefully we'll be where we need to be. Now, my understanding is that's the engagement ring,
Correct.
but the band,
I don't have any information on the band and neither did Miss Davila, Judge, so that I couldn't tell the court where that
so
may be.
is she accused of taking the band as well?
Yes, ma'am.
All right,
So
so
our indictment, Judge, only alleges the engagement ring, but the report does mention the band and the engagement.
all right, and how much is that band?
It's about 1,200.
Well, you'll need to bring receipts for that, for the court to even consider the band, all right? So, I'm not gonna be here next week,
Yes, sir.
so when do y'all want to set this? I mean, y'all can set it next week with the other judge, but I already know about the case, so.
Correct. I would prefer it be in front of you, Judge, so I'll defer to defense counsel because I'll be here.
I'd like to give him a month to get that done. I don't know how long it takes to
I mean,
verify it.
If she does in fact turn it in on Monday, and I did talk with Ms. Davila that I was going to call her on Monday after 3 p.m. when the property room closes to confirm, and SCPD will email me as well. So I'm gonna stay diligent on it, Judge. So
Okay. And see, I don't think it should take that long, and I don't think it takes that long to verify whether the diamonds are still the diamonds.
correct, Judge.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set it, and I promise you, this will be the last setting. Well, I shouldn't say that because I think state wants you to have your ring back. Defense attorney wants you to have your ring back. So let's set it for the week of June 15th. That will give everybody a chance and everything should be done. And he should be able to walk in here and obtain his engagement ring. Will that be enough time for you to get your documentation on the cost of the band?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so Norma, we need a date for the week of June 15th. June 15th? Okay. And Norma? On June 15th, though, I see that I'm supposed to do grand jury selection or something. So if so. No, I told them either one, which was the easiest for them, so I don't know if they're gonna be in person or not. You know what, Norma? Since I'm doing that, let's put it on. Yeah, the Tuesday. All right, so is Tuesday okay for everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Sounds good.
All right, so we're gonna come back on June 16th. All right, is there anything else?
Nothing from the state, Your Honor.
Nothing from defense, Your Honor.
Hey, we're like Sherlock Holmes here,
I know.
finding things.
Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. All right, who's next? All right, thank you, Ariza.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, how's it going?
How are you?
Oh, I cannot complain. It's a beautiful day.
I agree.
My little mini diamond magnolia that I got is in full bloom. And it's not even, it's probably about this tall, but it has blooms everywhere.
Oh, that's awesome.
Hello, sir. All right, so today is plea deadline date?
Judge, I'm asking the court to reset it for maybe next Friday. I've already have a plea bargain with the state of Texas. He's going to plead to the misdemeanor case and they're gonna dismiss the pending felony cases. I've already arranged with county court for the court coordinator. She's gonna bring him over on Monday to plead.
All right. Norma, if you recall this for June 5th, please. All right, and then, of course, if everything is taken care of, then it'll be removed from the docket.
I'll notify.
Thank you, Judge.
All right,
Thank you.
all right, sir, do you have any questions?
No, just to plead guilty.
All right, he said he's gone to county court fathers.
No, just for this to be resolved well.
All right, thank you.
Thanks, Judge. Okay, so now under, that'll just bother you with
Oh,
the
yes.
signature.
Yes, that's all.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Good seeing you.
My pleasure always. Maybe excuse.
Yes.
Thank you.
All right, who's here on Ronnie Cerna? Probation, this is an application. Court is calling 2026 CR 001788 State versus Ronnie Cerna. Can I have parties announced?
Trey Maurer for Mr. Cerna.
Are you chewing gum? Yeah, they say don't swallow it because they would always tell young children it will mess with your intestines.
Sorry about that.
No problem. All right, counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Cerna, did you review the application for community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
Just 1 second. And oh, to the clerk? I don't have his indictment. Did you review the indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, are you waiving the indictment?
We are, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Cerna, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're charged with driving while intoxicated, third or more. That's a third-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in the prison and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. Thank you. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes,
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
he does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do.
Mr. Cerna, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his rights to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 6 years in the prison. There's a $1,400 fine. State recommends community supervision. There's no application for deferred. Did you understand that to be your plea?
Yes, sir.
State defense.
It is, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, sir.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 6 years. There be 10 days in the Bear County Jail as a condition of probation, 120 hours community service restitution, DWI intervention, VIP, ignition interlock for half the term, 2-year license suspension, DOEP, and MRT. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, sir.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Good.
State any evidence.
State offer states one in attachments.
No objections.
All right, and state before you are excused, with regards to the 10 days in the Bear County Jail, do you have any objection if he serves that on GPS? All right, thank you. You may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, sir.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
We are, Your Honor.
All right, are you still on the portable alcohol monitoring device?
Yes, sir.
Are you driving?
No.
Okay. And you want to remain on that device?
Yes, sir.
All right, so as long as you're on that device and not on ignition interlock, you're not allowed to drive. You understand?
Yes, sir.
All right. Do you have any children?
No.
Do you live by yourself or with someone?
With family.
All right, when you say family, who is it?
Mom and dad.
Okay. Are you employed?
Yes.
What do you do?
Machine operator at International.
Okay. All right, this is what the court is going to do. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Regular UAs, make sure to test for ethanol. 6 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 4 years. There is to be a $1,400 fine. That will be probated. Proof of employment within 30 days. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There's to be a TAP evaluation out of custody. Follow recommendations. However, if it recommends inpatient treatment, start with outpatient treatment. 120 hours of community service restitution. I'll deduct 1 hour for every sober support meeting that's completed. Continued with the portable alcohol monitoring device. With an affidavit of non-driving, and I believe that affidavit of non-driving has previously been submitted. DWI intervention course, VIP live, 2-year license suspension. With regards to the 10 days in the Bear County Jail, you can either do 10 days in the Bear County Jail. If so, they'll take you into custody today. You'll serve 10 days flat. Or if you want to, I can do a partial GPS. If you're going to be working, then the GPS will have to be on for 20 days and I'll ask that the GPS fees be waived. What do you prefer?
GPS.
All right, so here's the thing with the GPS, that means I'm doing partial for work, so you're only allowed to work. All right, so if you're driving and you see a McDonald's or whatever and you want to stop, you're not allowed to, you understand? And that's for 20 days.
Sure.
All right, so there's going to be 20 days, partial GPS, waive fees. and it's for employment only. For the record, the court is ordering 20 days GPS because the court is finding it would be a hardship on the defendant due to his employment and also due to help ease overcrowding at the jail. Field visits, 1 time per month for 3 months. Probation, is there anything else? Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No, Your Honor.
All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, sir.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so here's the thing. People never have the intention of drinking, picking up a DWI, drinking, hitting somebody or killing somebody or getting in an accident. But the problem is, once you start drinking, you don't realize that you're impaired because you think you can handle it. But my statistics professor will be upset with me for saying this, but this is what I've noticed. What I've noticed is that usually people who are intoxicated and they're driving, they get in an accident, they walk away just fine, but either their passenger dies or they hit somebody whose life has changed forever. So you're one of those people who cannot drink at all. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
So don't drink. You're not allowed to do it. And you're not allowed to do it on this probation, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you. All right, who's next?
Judge, may I very briefly ask you about Mr. Foz? He's not out here and I have received an offer on him
Who is it?
for Joseph Foz.
Oh, just have a seat. Oh,
Sorry,
yeah, with probation.
Sorry about that, Judge.
Where is Mr. Okay, yes. Have you received an
I
offer?
have received an offer. Judge, we're just asking for a short, one more pretrial conference to bring our laptop and show him everything here in court, and then we'd be okay moving on to that point to a plea deadline or trial setting, depending on
Right,
that.
Norma, can you set this for a plea deadline date at the end of June? It's Foz. All right, thank
Thank you,
you.
Judge.
You're welcome.
Is it possible to have him brought over for a pretrial sometime before then?
You have to speak with Ms. Ferguson.
Okay.
Sure. All right, who's next?
It's Robert Hernandez, page 3, the bottom.
Robert Hernandez. He's on bond. Oh, is he on?
He's on page 3 of the. Going to the record.
Okay. All right, who's next?
Adam Gonzalez, page 12, 40 ounce.
All right, that's a motion to revoke.
It is the underlying is a felony in possession.
I don't see that.
That was the MCR.
Okay.
But I'm here to actually do an oral motion to draw judge.
What's going on?
My client and I, we cannot continue on. I believe we don't have a attainable attorney-client privilege. We cannot communicate effectively, and I don't believe we can continue on.
Why are you not communicating with your attorney?
Oh, I am. I don't feel like he's representing me to his potential.
Are you gonna hire an attorney?
Yes, gonna hire an attorney.
When?
This week by Friday.
Oh, okay. Norma, bring this back for June 8th. He said he's gonna have an attorney. All right, so I'll take that matter up when he comes in with his attorney.
Yes, Judge. Thank you. All right.
Well, I didn't say that.
Yeah, just give me 1 second. All right, just give me a second. All right, yes.
We have Christopher Medine that was on the document as well for today.
Yes.
I'm just seeing, if we match that June, the end of June court date with Mr. Foz. I'm not entirely sure as to what is going on in his case. I just spoke with Robert about it and he didn't have his file in front of him, so if we can, I mean, it can be sooner rather than later as well, Judge.
Okay, let me see. Let me ask you this question. And mind you, if you get it wrong, Robert's gonna be very disappointed. in you.
Okay.
How old was Caesar when he was murdered?
He was a teenager, wasn't he? No.
Talk to your dad. He's gonna be
Yeah,
disappointed.
he's a big history.
Are you
buff.
gonna phone a friend, phone Charles Bump?
Just say your dad's disappointed.
All right, let me see. All right, because there's a different attorney. I don't know if your dad is on all of his cases,
Okay.
because Fernando Cortez, I think, is on the aggravated robbery.
Yes, I believe that is correct, Judge.
All right, Norma, on this one, recall it in 2 weeks
Thank you, Judge.
and let Mr. I'm sorry, when? All right, and let Mr. Cortez know he needs to be here.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're
May I be
welcome.
excused?
Yes.
Thank you.
Oh, be sure to ask Robert that question.
I will now.
All right, who's next?
I'm sure that there's.
Roberto Hernandez. Joseph Juarez. Norma, you just throwing out names.
Sure. Morning, Judge.
Good morning. All right, so where are we on the evaluation and
Yes, Judge.
today?
We did receive the sanity evaluation, late last week or early this week, I can't recall, recently.
Mhm.
And I believe we are set sometime next week, I want to say the first in magistrate court in terms of, either acceptance or challenging of that.
All right. So Norma, recall this for the end of June. Mhm. All right, we'll be back on June 29th.
Thank you, Judge. I appreciate it.
Yeah, do you mind if I check? I think my client has a key. Appointment on the
Okay, sure.
30th. Maybe the week on when I'm out. I'm back, I think.
All right, you all want to do it the week of the 22nd?
Guess either way, I just didn't want to be too close.
Well, here's the thing. We can keep it on June 29th, and I'll excuse him from appearing.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, Norma, put this on June 29th, and the defendant is excused from appearance. I'm assuming you have contact with him.
Of course.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome. You're welcome. All right, everyone, the court is recessing at 11:45. Yes. All right, these are motions to revoke. All right, Mr. Bach, are you ready on the
Yes, Judge.
FTR? What's happening?
Okay, on Mr. Bissett, Judge, last time we were before the court, we discussed the fact that he has an MTR that's.
Yeah.
That was old, and you had given him some time with the understanding he would use that time to pay the $2,500 he owed.
Yes.
He has the receipts now verified with the probation department. He has paid the $2,500, so it's my understanding the state's now gonna withdraw the MTR and he'll terminate as a matter of law.
Yes. Okay. Thank you.
Okay,
All right.
do you need to see the receipts or she verified? Okay.
She's verified it, yes.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Oh, no, on Mr. Bassett, it's done. And Mr. Bond, just make sure I receive the documents.
Yes, Judge, and I have one other reset matter when you have a minute.
I'm ready now.
Okay, his name is Rafael Sosa.
Let me find him on the docket.
He's in custody. They didn't bring him out. He was just
All right, who's next?
Is Maria Martinez, right now?
And Judge, on this one,
Yes.
Magistrate Court had her, we have a bizarre issue. The doctor for sanity evaluation says that doctor does not have enough information to give an answer on whether the person is sane or not. So Magistrate Court, after a lengthy session, decided to appoint a different doctor.
Okay.
And they reset her to, you may see the updated notes.
August.
Yeah, yes. And
All right.
we can't do something,
You can't, till that's done. Norma, if you reset this after August 4th, please.
thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Yes. All right, August 10th. Oh, you know what, Mr. Stateson?
Yes, sir.
All right, do you think, because they're having another doctor evaluate her, do you think it's August 4th date that they have?
The day of the evaluation with the doctor,
Yeah, that's August 4th, the day of evaluation, right?
I have to verify with Monica Garcia.
What I'll do is we'll set it in September, and if it's done sooner, we'll bring it back sooner. All right, Norma, on that case on Martinez, can you put it in September instead? All right, we'll see you then.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, who's next?
It's Robert Hernandez, Street above.
Or Judge, he's in the box.
Okay. Roberto Hernandez. I rolled all my R's. I did it. All right, so where are we on this case?
Judge, we provided the letters to the state. The court wanted the state to have a chance to review them to see if the offer would change, to see whether this was going to trial or maybe be a plea or dismissal. And from what I understand, talking to both sides, that Mr. Hernandez would like his jury trial.
All right.
And I would remind the court that the court appointed Mr. McLean.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, Judge.
Oh, no. My mind's a steel trap.
It is, Judge. That's been my
You know,
experience.
because you're going to the Philippines.
Yes.
You're going to be retiring with your fiance on a farm that has numerous acres, and the mangoes there are delicious.
Yes.
And she's coming.
Yeah, yes. That's when you're visiting.
Yeah, and I'm visiting, so I remember all of this. All right, so how long do y'all expect the trial to last?
3 days, Judge.
Okay, Norma, I need a 3-day trial on this case. And it will probably be Mr. McLean. And if this date doesn't work well for Mr. McLean, we may have to move it a day or two, okay? But we'll put it on June 16th.
Thank you, Judge. Appreciate it.
You're welcome. Enjoy. You have to send me photos.
I'm gonna stop by, just off the record before I go and see.
All right, what are you stopping by bringing mangoes? If they let you bring mangoes into the country, no.
Who knows?
Yeah, all right, thank you. All right, Miguel Dominguez. Probation, this is an application. Good morning. Hi, you need to make sure you're on time for court.
Yeah, I was sitting at the wrong
The text said CCO 5, so I was sitting there, then the officer there told me, no, you need to go to the other place.
Yeah. Oh, no, it's fine because I see that this is your first time here. So sometimes for people who are late, it's like their third time. And I'm like, you can't say you didn't know where the courtroom was anymore.
Yeah.
So I just always like to remind people because depending on,
I
you
should
know,
have directed.
who it
him-
is.
I should have directed him to come to
Depending
district
on
court
who's
before
they're
county
sitting,
court.
sometimes people issue warrants right away. All right, the court is calling 2026 CR 002-985 State versus Miguel Dominguez. Can I have parties announced?
And a credit for the state. Jesse Sepulveda for Miguel Angel Dominguez.
And are you Mr. Dominguez?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, you received all discovery. Did you review it with your client?
Yes, I have, Your Honor. Yes, I did.
Oh, this is coming apart. Oh, so I don't have the discovery.
I gave it to you right here. Here you go, Your Honor.
Oh, thank you. All right, the court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are, Judge.
All right, that needs to go to the county court. And Mr. Dominguez, you reviewed the application for community supervision. You understood it and you signed it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, sir.
And did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, sir.
All right, you're charged with driving while intoxicated, third or more. That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, sir.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, you have, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, I do.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Dominguez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you're not a U.S. citizen by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, sir.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 3 years in the prison. There's $1,000 fine to be probated. The state will recommend community supervision and take in consideration 2025 CC 016861. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, sir.
State defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
It is a plea, Judge.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, sir.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 3 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 100 hours of community service restitution, 10 days in the Bexar County Jail, DWI intervention, VIP, Texas driver's license suspension, and ignition interlock for half the term. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow that recommendation?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to the offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no
Guilty.
contest?
I'm guilty.
State, any evidence?
Judge, you have exhibit number 1 and all attachments.
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, state, do you have any objections to the defendant serving the 10 days in the Bexar County Jail on GPS?
No, Judge.
All right, state, you may be excused.
Thank you, Judge.
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, sir.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments. After reviewing the same, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Only that the court, please, this is a true third, if you would follow the recommendation, the application, grant him a probation for it.
All right. Are you employed?
Yes.
What do you do?
I'm a sales rep for ice aggregates for charcoal companies.
Okay. So sometimes when you sell reps, you know, it goes, you have to go out with clients, you have to drink, you can't do that. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, the court, do you live by yourself or with someone?
No, my wife and my kids.
Okay. All right, the court has previously stated, finding you guilty, the court will sentence you to 3 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 3 years. There's $1,000 fine to be probated. Take in consideration 2025 CC 016861, proof of employment within 30 days, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors, 100 hours of community service restitution. 50 of those hours are going to be waived once you complete parenting classes. The remaining hours will be deducted at 1 hour for each sober support meeting completed. Field visits 1 time per month for 3 months. Partial GPS for 20 days. Waive fees. And it's for employment only. So that means only back and forth to employment. It's not stopping anywhere else. You understand?
I understand that.
DWI intervention course, VIP live, license suspension for 2 years, ignition interlock for half the term, TAP evaluation out of custody. If TAP recommends inpatient treatment, start with intensive outpatient treatment. Probation, is there anything else? Oh, no, I did not, but thank you for covering for me. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular UAs. Anything else, probation? Okay. Anything else you need from the court in order to be successful?
No, thank you.
All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so here's the thing. You're one of those people, you can't drink alcohol at all. I have yet, and I think your attorney can tell you, I have yet to see anyone come in here who has become intoxicated, hit someone and kill them and say, you know what, my intention was to get drunk and to hit somebody and kill them. Usually what ends up happening, they come in, they're crying, and you can't undo that. You have children, and you know what that means? You could have been out drinking, got intoxicated, and hit your children, not even know it. So you're gonna have to get control of this issue, okay?
I understand.
All right, thank you for addressing appropriately for court, and good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Probation will go over
Could be
conditions.
excused, right?
Yes.
Thank you.
Leonardo Cuellar. There's no application.
No, ma'am.
Hey.
We're working, I think there's hope for the Jamie Jade.
Oh my gosh, I'm hoping so.
Maybe.
I feel as though like I'm solving crimes now.
Yes.
Okay, just 1 second.
I know that.
What page is this one on? Yes. All right, thank you. All right, court is calling 2026 CR 003612. State versus Leonardo Cuellar. Could I have parties announced?
Lauren Espinoza for the state.
Lauren Lupton for Mr. Cuellar.
Are you Mr. Cuellar?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, you received all discovery. Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Cuellar, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
I did.
Counsel, do you waive the reading?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the document as presented?
No, Judge, we move to waive the punishment enhancement.
Any objection?
No, Your Honor.
Right. Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you're charged with fraudulent use of possession of identifying information.
Thank you.
Less than 5 items as a state jail felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Cuellar, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, sir.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported and denied naturalization and re-entry. Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
I did.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 180 days in the state jail facility. There's a $600 fine, and there are no applications. Did you understand that to be the plea? State defense?
Yes, Judge.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offense, how do you plea?
Yes.
State, any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. State offers State's Exhibit 1 in all attachments.
No objections.
All right, state, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, I do.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. After reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Your Honor.
All right, court will sentence you to 180 days in the state jail facility, give you credit for any time served. There's a $600 fine, time and money to run concurrently. And there's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
Because it's a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? Make better decisions. And then next time, don't blame it on your girlfriend. I was just sitting here today and I had forgot to say something, and the probation officer, we're not even in a relationship, and she was trying to cover for me. She's like, "Oh, Judge, didn't you say?" And I'm like, "No, I didn't." So do better. Be a better human, okay? All right, good luck to you. All right, Miguel Romo.
That's me also.
Yes. And then this will be the last one, then we're going on recess.
Thanks, Judge.
And what page is Miguel Romo on? All right, and there's no application.
No, ma'am.
Court is calling 2026 CR 006014 State versus Miguel Romo for the state
Right up here for the state.
defense.
Lauren left in for Mr. Romo.
And are you Mr. Romo? Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Romo, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, I did.
Counsel, do you waive the reading?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are, Judge.
Mr. Romo, did you review the admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
I did.
Your charge is possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram. That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Romo, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Did.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 78 days in the Bear County Jail under 1244. There's a $500 fine, time and money to run concurrently. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense, is that the plea?
Yes, and I believe the judgment should be satisfied.
All right, state, is that the plea?
It is, Judge.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand
Yes.
any such motion?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence.
Judge, you have state exhibit number 1 and all attachments.
No objections.
All right. State, you may be excused.
Thank you, Judge.
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written, I'm sorry. See, this is what happens when you look at the clock. All right. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? You understood it, correct?
Yes.
All right, and the state has offered that into evidence and you have no objection?
Correct, Your Honor.
All right, again, these are your rights. You have a right to remain silent. You have a right to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would bring in. Did you understand?
Yes.
All right, the state is not going to do any of those things. They're going to submit their evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments. The court has reviewed the same. Court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Your Honor.
All right, so Mr. Romo, how often have you been using?
It's like 4 months. Barely.
All right, so here's the thing. Obviously, anytime you end up in jail, you definitely have a drug problem, right? Because otherwise you wouldn't have got this. There are plenty of places in San Antonio that can help you with your addictions if you want the help. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
If I follow this agreement, when you're released, do you have a place to stay? Do you have family? What's your support system look like?
Yeah, family. Stay warm.
All right. Have you asked your mom?
Yeah.
She said yes. Please do not go to your mom's house and cause problems. Please do not break promises to her. Be honest, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, the court is going to sentence you to 78 days in the Bear County Jail under 1244. There's a $500 fine, time and money to run concurrent. Are there any minors in that household? All right, the court is going to show that the judgment is satisfied and the court is going to order no unsupervised contact with minors and no residing in households with minors. And the reason why I'm doing that is because you shouldn't be babysitting. You shouldn't be doing any of that until you work on you, okay?
I understand.
All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it?
I do.
And did you sign it? Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, good luck to you. And when you're released from custody, because how old are you?
32.
All right, 32. When you're released from custody, which should be at 1 a.m. or midnight. Of course, I won't be at the courthouse at 1 a.m. or midnight, but I'll be here tomorrow. If you can't find a place where you can go to help you maintain your sobriety, you come back here. I'll pick up the phone and call somebody to help you. All right, and if for some reason your mom says, yeah, I can't do this, let me know. You come back here. I'll pick up the phone and see if I can get a place for you, okay? All right, good luck to you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
May I be excused?
Yes.
Have a good day.
Good day. Okay, just give me a second. So, Lefton, I'm gonna start reading Red Rising.
Are you? Is it out already?
Well, it's been out.
Oh, I didn't know this.
But at the first line just really got me. It's like, the person wanted peace, but war was brought to my door. So now.
Oh, I'm gonna get it. So I was gonna see if you're interested. I just read this book about Anne Boleyn, and that she was the queen of witches.
Yes.
Have you read it?
No,
It's
but-
cute. I was gonna see if you wanted to read it.
Oh, most definitely.
Easy. I mean, it's like 200 pages.
Okay, now you know what I've started watching
Huh.
on television. I think it's on Acorn.
Uh-huh.
I've started watching the other Mrs. Bennett.
Oh, I haven't heard of that.
Oh, you should watch
I'll
it.
check
It's
it
very
out.
interesting.
Okay, but I'm gonna download Red Rising this
Okay.
weekend.
She's very bookish.
I love it. That's great. So, all right, have a great
All
weekend.
right, thank you. All right. Yeah, for the resets, yeah. Oh, no, I know you have to go. Oh, I'm just doing reset.
Yeah, I'll run down there.
Oh, I forgot to tell you. So just one second. All right. Who's here for a reset?
That was 872 down, Judge. Remember that?
And Louisiana, that's Reveille. So we're gonna find out what it is. Sorry, just grab these.
On my cases.
All right, how do you pronounce your last name?
Or
That's not how you pronounce it. It's Reveille.
It's not.
That's it. You know what? My grandmother would always, when she was upset with her children, you know what she would tell them? Because they would say it's their birthday or whatever. She's like, how do you know? Because I'm the one who told you when you were born. You don't know. So he doesn't know if that's how it's Reveille, right?
You're right.
But no, seriously, you pronounce it Revelis.
Just wrote it hard.
Okay, Revelis. All right. Yes. All right. So today is the plea deadline day. What's happening?
Judge, plea was extended. I conferred with my client. He does not want to accept the plea.
All right. So we will set you for a jury trial. How long is this trial going to last?
3 days, Judge.
All right, Norma, put this at the end of June for jury trial.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And I need an acknowledgement of discovery.
Yes, Judge.
All right. They'll bring you over dressed for trial.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. You're welcome, Mr. Revelis. All right, who's next? Ethan Gonzalez,
Morning, Your Honor.
good morning.
Oh, well, afternoon, I guess,
Ah,
whatever.
oh,
we are.
well, it's not 12 yet, so we're still good. Oh, Mr. Featherston, you're on this side.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Oh, that's okay. Okay.
Judge, I'm requesting an additional 30 days on
Mhm.
the plea deadline.
Let me see if I've even given you a plea dead. Oh, yeah, I did give you a plea deadline date. So all of the discovery, because I think there was some outstanding GSR at one time and
Yes, Judge. So we have received the GSR, I believe, but in conferring with Mr. Featherston today, there were 3 phone dumps that I am in possession of, and I was under the impression that Ms. Alban had turned them over to him. He's gonna have to double check on that to make sure, because when I was going through the discovery acknowledgement, I didn't see the phone dumps included in that. So I need to make sure that he has that. But we are in the process of negotiating as well.
all right. Nora, can I get a final plea deadline date? Let's do it. Let me see here. Let's do it the second week in, that second week of July, the week of July 6th. Is that enough time for everybody?
Yes.
I think it will be, Your Honor. Thank you.
Okay. All right, July 6th. All right, do you have any questions?
No, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
Thanks for doing that prior to lunch.
Sure. Yes,
On mine, you gave me the 29th. Is it possible to get the 6th?
just one second, let me put this in the system.
I'll know by tomorrow if I need to.
Yes. What's going on? I'm waiting to approach.
Sure. All right, who's your client?
Reveles.
All right, let me find him on here. All right, thank you. And what are you saying?
Judge, you gave me the 29th and I'm actually out that, well, through the 30th. Is it possible to get the 6th?
I can do it June 22nd.
I'm out, like I'm leaving the 16th and we come back on the 30th.
I can do June 8th. Norma?
That's fine. I'll leave it on the 29th, Judge.
You sure?
Yeah, I'll move it.
Okay. All right, who's next?
Christopher Ortiz, page 5 o'clock.
Yes.
I'm trying to Josh.
All right, Christopher Ortiz. Hello.
How you doing?
I'm doing great. How are you doing?
I'm doing all right.
All right. Thank you for dressing appropriately for court. I appreciate that.
Thank you.
All right, so did you guys get all discoveries? I know last time what was uploaded was from the wrong case.
We're still in that situation. We are conferring and are committed to talking this afternoon and the rest of this week to figure out why that keeps being the case. But we are in the same spot we were last time.
Your Honor, I informed him that I just need a USB or I just need the exact evidence that he's missing and I'll tender that, but I'm still pending that information.
All right, Norma, recall this for June 11th. Y'all need to have all the discovery tendered to the defense by then.
And then Judge, I have 2 agreed motions.
Just one second.
Sorry, Judge.
That's okay. And what motions do you have?
May I present them to you?
Yes.
The first one, Judge, there's a no contact order with his wife, the mother of his children and the victim. What we're asking and what the state has agreed to after talking to the complainant in this case is to allow him to talk via, I'm forgetting the name of the app, but.
Family Wizard.
Yes, Judge. And so the state has agreed to that.
All right, you have no objection?
No objections, Judge.
All right, and the speaking through the family app, you're only supposed to discuss child issues, you understand? And even though you're speaking through the family app, and I'm telling you this because I've done civil cases before, you still need to be respectful, no arguing, you understand?
Definitely, Your Honor.
Okay. Okay, and if you want to make a copy of that, you have to go in the back.
Thank you, Judge.
And then the discovery, you all in agreement
Yes,
to?
Judge.
Okay,
I would like to make a copy. I'll just bring it back to you or just. Yes. I'll bring it up in just a moment. Thank you.
all right, there you are.
Thank you, Judge. May we be excused?
Yes.
Have a great afternoon.
All
And I'll
right,
bring it back.
all right, Norma.
We need maybe 15, 12 minutes.
All right, you guys can do it during the break of our trial. All right. So what I'll do is and that's Kriston Clark, right?
Right, Christian Clark?
All right, so y'all are saying it's gonna be like 15 minutes?
Correct.
All right, so you all come back at 3.
3 o'clock?
Yes. All right, who else?
Brian Green, page 7, go down.
Brian Ruiz.
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Trey on the bottom.
Yes, where we're on this case with discovery.
Judge, we're waiting for discovery judgments out of Kendall County and I believe Travis County.
Yes, Judge, and I will, full candor to the court, last setting, I was to tender an offer. I neglected to do that, but now there is an offer and I've requested pen pack.
All right, Nora, recall this in 45 days for a plea deadline date. All right, by then they should have the judgments for you.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, you're welcome.
Just have a seat. Maybe excuse.
Yes, who's next?
It is Arlene Hernandez, she has a plea judge, which time do you want them to come back?
They can come back at 2:30. Mhm. Who's next?
Nato Hopkins, or, yeah.
Yes, what is happening with Miss Vasquez?
Ms. Vasquez has 4 different charges, it's 3 different offense dates. I would like to have a little more time for the
No
discussion.
gum showing up here.
You have a trash, found a trash can label. I'd like to have another setting for discovery. Like I said, it's 4 different cases, but it's 3 different offense dates.
All right, Norma, can you do a final discovery on this for July 13th? Is that good for you?
That is, Judge, thank you.
All right, thank you.
Have a seat, I'll be right with you. Oh, thanks, Mom.
All right, Norma, did Jonathan, oh, Jonathan Alvarado? Yes.
Hey, Judge.
Hi.
I have two clients, but the one that I was gonna approach on at least first.
Yeah. Interpreter. All right, so what case are we starting that on?
Fauntleroy is the one with the interpreter, Judge.
And he is on page 6. One down. All right, that's final plea deadline date.
We are set for that today, yes, Judge. And I did receive a new offer today from the state that I have not been able to convey to my client. You may recall, Judge, he is deaf and he only speaks through ASL. And unfortunately, as Norma was saying, we don't have the interpreters here today. So I don't really have a way of communicating with him effectively.
All right, Norma, recall this for June 8th. There will be no further resets for plea deadline dates.
Understood, Judge.
And the interpreters need to be here. Who's next?
So I do have another client, Judge, Mr. Montgomery. I hadn't put my name on that one yet, just because the state was still reviewing for an offer. I recently appointed to him last week at Crim Mag. He was just found competent last week. So this is our first setting after he's been found competent.
All right, on Montgomery, recall this for June 15th. All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. All right, we are on recess.